Let's review the chemistry of all current bioceramic endodontic sealers. All current bioceramic sealers rely on passive remineralization, whereby the remineralizing ions precipitate in a disordered manner. This results in a prolonged, passively remineralizing process. In contrast, BioSeal is the first and only bioceramic sealer to provide patented active remineralization. BioSeal's biomimetic polymers are negatively charged and serve as seeding points that actively organize and structure remineralizing ions via electrostatic interactions into hydroxyapatite. This process allows for the fast, structured, and active remineralization of dentin. Additionally, the patented host inclusion particles slowly release chlorhexidine into the surrounding dentition to significantly increase long-term substantivity.